Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel, Earth and Temple of an Adventure. Today I will just show you my mushroom in the house. So I bought these 10 packs of mushroom. This is different colors, like I think I have white and yellow and pink on this one, and brown I think. Yeah, so this is only 10 bags I bought this for 35 peso each. So and I will just observe if it gives us good mushroom, then I will add more this one. So this is when I bought this one, it's only 4 days now. So let's show here, have some mushrooms comes out already. It's a pink color, so but not all has spores already. So I was just excited to see this mushroom and how many days we can harvest this one. This is the first time I purchased a mushroom. I purchased this from a person he's a retired doctor. So and he's doing this for 3 years now, selling this mushroom, like selling per bags 35. It's very cheap to buy, and I will just see if Tom likes this mushroom. So this all, as you can see, they put some like plastic round cup on this one, and they cover it with a little cloth when I bought this one, and I remove it when about maturity of this one. So once you buy this one, they will mark on the bag. So one of this is growing really good, so this is the biggest one. So I will update after 4 days now. So thank you for watching, guys, and have a blissful Tuesday to all. Bye.